Good day, all of you. So today we are going to have a walkthrough of how to create Python containers. So let me move back to my console. So you can see this is my console. I need to clear my screen, and if I move back to this console, so you can see that I'm trying to pull the Docker image for Python from the Docker Hub repository. And if I do not really make use of any tag explicitly, by default this will take into account a tag which is nothing but latest, right? So this is the command I am using to pull the Docker image from Docker Hub repository, because it might take a little bit of the time. So if I move back to this particular container, I just want to list all the images which I have had. So you can see that I have pulled this particular Docker image from the Docker Hub repository, and you can see the size of the image, which is relatively large as compared to other Docker images which we have made the use of in the previous demonstrations. So for that reason only I just executed that particular command, so that it will not take time. So for example, if I really want to run this container, so let's run this container. So if I try to list the running containers, you can see that there is no container which is running as of now. So if I try to list all the containers which we have created, so for example, you can see that this particular container just exited 12 seconds ago. So why is that? Because see, what happens is, as we have already discussed in the previous demonstration, when there is no existing process which is running on a container, the container will be getting terminated. So this is what has happened here, right? So what happens is, if I really want to run this particular container, so let's make use of our interactive mode, so that we will be connected to the standard input of that particular container, and the container will not be getting terminated. So I will be making the use of our image. So you can see that I have gotten inside that particular container once again. You can see that, so for example, if I type help, so you can see that this is the current version of the Python as of now. So this is how it is. So if you really if I type modules, hopefully it will give me some kind of result. So you can see that these are the modules. I can basically write, so for example, let's see, I would like to know more details about this particular module, so let's type that run by. So you can see that all the details are available here. So for all the and you can read more. So I will just press Q. So if I really wanted to come out of this particular console, I will type Q. So I have gotten back my console once again. So I can use all the operations, like for example 4 plus 3, so which is giving me the result. So it is just acting as, if we have really installed the Python environment in our local machine, right? So you can, so for example, I can also use print hello from cybersec nerd. You can see the result as it is, right? If I really wanted to exit from here, so I will be using this function. So now you can see that I have got my console back. So I hope this is what we intend to cover in this particular demonstration. Hope you like it. Thank you.